Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have both files open. Start by selecting the exact Excel cells or chart you want linked. Name the range to keep it stable, then copy it with Ctrl+C. Once done, switch to the PowerPoint slide where the data belongs. Make sure you choose an uncluttered layout so the linked object sits correctly. This initial step prevents broken links later and ensures PowerPoint references a fixed range rather than shifting cells when Excel changes. Now paste the copied Excel content using Paste Special and Pick Paste Link as an Excel worksheet object. This creates a live connection. Once inserted, resize and align the object crop to hide grid lines if needed. Make sure you understand why linked objects update automatically. PowerPoint reads from the Excel source. If you need a static snapshot, choose Paste as Image. Also, check Edit Links to Files to set Update to Automatic or Manual, depending on your workflow. Finish by saving the Excel file first, then the PowerPoint. Keeping both in a stable folder prevents broken paths. Test the link, alter a value in Excel, return to PowerPoint and choose Update Links or reopen the presentation to see changes. If the source moves, use Edit Links to change source or relink. Troubleshooting tip: if links break, check file path and file names, and ensure both files are on a local or network drive accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.